if you want to resize the photos on your Shopify website, well, there are a few things that you could actually do. So the first thing that you may want to know here is resizing your images is quite simple, but it's limited if you're not going to edit the code. So you want to go ahead and just open up your Shopify store here, click on edit theme, go to your themes first, click on edit theme here. And if you go to your product page, just to give you some idea, if you go to your product page, go to default products here, and select the product information. As you can see, the image is really big as of right now. But the thing with medias here in Shopify, sometimes they would give you the option to change the width of the media. Like for example, I can make it a medium width media or a small width media here. But the thing with this one is it's actually limited. So there's not much thing other else that we can actually do to limit the size of the images. But there is a way for you to do this without editing the actual code, because editing the actual code is something complicated. Just one wrong step, one wrong code that could destroy your website. So what can you actually utilize? Well, you can actually utilize the custom CSS settings on your Shopify website. So, and again, you want to go to product information. Now, at the right side, you should be able to see your properties. At the very bottom, you should see custom CSS. Go ahead and expand that. Now, in here, you want to go into space the following. Now, this depends on your current theme that you're using. Sometimes it's going to be different, but usually it's going to be .product_media -item. And you want to go ahead and close this on a opening bracket and a closing bracket here with the following text, which is width. Now, basically what we're doing here is we're limiting the width of the product images that we currently see here. As you can see here now, I just stated that I want this in 100 pixels. So every image that we have right now on this product will be on 100 pixels width. But if we change this to, like, for example, let's just say like 500, it's now going to be 500, as you can see right now, which is a cool thing here. Now, basically, you just need to click on save, and that would apply to your product page. But then again, this varies on your team. So in some cases, this might not work. Some may actually work. So in order for you to find what type of class, so what text or name that you should add in this section here specifically, well, you could just open this up, or your Shopify page, you could go and just open it up in another tab. You want to go and right click on the product page that you want to edit. Click on the view page, or you want to go and just choose inspect. And you want to go and choose the inspector here and just highlight the section. Now, you want to go and look for specifically the one that manages the whole thing. So for my case, I have this one. So you could go and just expand this one. Look at the class. And this is exactly what you're looking for. So yeah. So once you copy that, you can go and just add that in here, use that, and that would update the actual image. Now, if it doesn't update, it might be in a different name, so you may need to do a bit of investigation here and just finding whichever class it's actually assigned to. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.